Hello everyone. Let's see eighth question of the exercise 13.3. Here water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. How much water area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Which means here the water is flowing from the canal which width is given 6 meter and depth of the canal is given 1.5 meter, and in 30 minutes that same water which will flow in 30 minutes from the canal will irrigate the field with standing height of the standing water is 8 centimeter of the field. Okay, so we have to find how much area will irrigate of the field. So here it's clear that the volume which will flow from the canal in 30 minutes will be equal to the volume of the water which will irrigate to the field. Okay, that both will be equal. Volume of both will be equal. So first we'll find volume of a water flows through the canal in 30 minutes. Okay, so for that we require length, breadth and height. So here breadth is width of the canal is given, which means breadth will be 6 meter, and height of the canal is given, depth, that is depth of the canal is given, which means it will become height 1.5 meter. That you can write it 3 by 2 meter. Okay. Now the speed of water is given. Speed of water flows from the canal equal to, this is given 10 kilometer per hour. So here both the values are in meter, this also and this also, so you will convert this one also into meter, and we require in 30 minutes, means we will convert this speed into meter per minute. So 10 kilometer, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, so we will multiply by 1000, and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, so we will divide by 60. So it will be meter per minute. Okay, now this will be cancelled, 10 will be cancelled, which means you got 1000 divided by 6 meter per minute. Now in 30 minutes how much water will flow, that we have the length of the water we will get in 30 minutes. Okay, that will become a length. So water flows in 30 minutes. This is 1 minute per minute, in per minute. Now we have to find in 30 minutes. So water flows in 30 minutes equal to 30 into 1000 upon 6 5 are 30. That will be this 30 minutes, means this will be in minutes, into the speed. This one was meter per minute. So minute will be cancelled. So it will be length. That will be length of the this 5000. Okay, that will be into meter only. Okay, length we have, breadth we have, height we have. So we can find the volume of a water flows through from the canal in 30 minutes equal to length into breadth into height. So length will be 5000, breadth will be 6 meter, and height will be 3 by 2. So 2 3s are 6, means 3 3s are 9, means 9 5s are 45,000 cubic meter. That will be the volume of water which will irrigate in 30 minutes. Okay, so we can write here the volume of a water flows in from the canal in 30 minutes equal to volume of a water irrigated the field in 30 minutes equal to what you got, this 45,000. So you can write here 45,000 cubic meter equal to, this will be length into breadth into height, with height will be 8 centimeter. So first you will convert that 8 centimeter height, standing water will be height, and that will be 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter means 8 upon 100 meter. So you can write here length into breadth into height, and length into breadth will be area. So height will be substitute here 45,000 equal to area of a field. Area, length into breadth will be area into height will be 8 upon 100. Okay, so you can shift this 4500 means 45,000 into 100 upon 8. Okay, so you can write here area of a field. So 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. Remainder will be 5, 50, 50. Okay, 8 6 are 48. Remainder will be 2, 20, 20. Okay, 20, 20. 8 2 are 16. Remainder will be 4, 40, 40. 8 5 are 40. Means we got here 8 5 are 40. 8 5 are 40. Remainder will be 5, 50, 50. 8 6 are 48. Remainder will be 2, 20, 20. Okay. 8 2s are 16. Remainder 4, 8 5. Correct. So we can multiply area of a field. Area of field equal to this will be 5, 6, 2, 5, and we will multiply by 100, so it will be 20 more. So this will be square meter. This is area, so square meter. You can convert, you know that 1 hectare equal to 10,000 square meter. So you can divide this, so it will be converted into hectare. So 5, 6, 2, 5, 00 divided by 10,000. So 20 will be cancelled. It will be hectare. So area of a field which will be irrigated in 30 minutes will be, this will become 56.25 hectare. Okay, that you can write.